Just gonna peel the ginger with a spoon. If you don't care about yield, you can always use a peeler. It's much faster. Now let's slice the ginger. If it gets wobbly, you just cut it in half. Then you want to slice it into strips. Let's give it a rough chop. That's good enough. Pour in your honey. I don't have much left. I'm just going to use about half a cup. Turn your heat up. Equal parts water. And give it a good mix. Slowly coming to a simmer.
Do not let it boil.
I'm gonna set the timer for about 15 minutes. We'll just come here and periodically check on this. Just turn off and let it cool down. Alright, so now we're just gonna strain all of this. Probably have to do this in batches, but I'm just gonna crush down whatever's in here. Just get that extra ginger juice out. Oh, fuck. After you let this cool down, bottle it and you can use it in your cocktails.